one advice that I also wanted to convey to especially the young researchers in the audience is you should likewise do some kind of a portfolio-based approach in the temporal dimension. And what I mean is, it's fine sometimes in your career, right, to work on very short-term, short things. Okay, I'm going to work on this particular problem where I know I have the expertise. I work on it and kind of make a difference and then move to the next problem. It's fine to be in that mode sometimes during your career, but at least once, and preferably more than once, I feel it is very important for you to work on something that you think is impossible, that you think, oh, this is beyond my capability. I mean, in my case, that was thrust upon me, this whole Blue Gene project. But it's good for you to choose that yourself, right? Work on something very, very ambitious that the world thinks is impossible, that you think is beyond your capability. Because when you're working on these very, very ambitious things, that's when your rate of learning is the highest. Because when the delta between your current state and future state, desired state, right, is huge, you're just forced to kind of learn, right, at a much steeper rate. So that's one reason. The other reason is, if you succeed, I mean, human brain is very, very, we humans, right, all of us have this capability to achieve things that we thought we were incapable of achieving. So when you're really pushed, when you really push yourself to achieve that impossible, sometimes you surprise yourself and achieve that impossible, right? And when you achieve that, it gives you far greater sense of self-satisfaction, and it gives you far greater recognition than a whole series of incremental advances, right? Because if you spend your entire, let's say, career, or even let's say a 10-year period, always working on problems that you know you can solve and kind of advancing in your career, yes, you will reach a certain point. But if you are taking risks and working on very, very ambitious problems, even if you succeed once, you're likely to end up far higher than if you just went for those series of incremental advances, right? So that's one